Hi and welcome to my shop. In this video I'm going to attempt to demonstrate the difference in the loudness between this California Air Tools ultra quiet air compressor, which I recently got for my birthday, and my older PorterCable Pancake compressor, which I find very loud. For this demonstration I downloaded a free app on the iPhone in order to measure the sound levels in dB. It says the ambient noise level in my shop is about 30 dB. Now let's start with the PorterCable. The app measures about 89 dB. Now the California Air Tools. The app measures about 75 dB, so quite a difference. Whether the mic is picking it up or not, you can definitely hear the difference. Let's try it one more time. With the PorterCable, I can hardly hear myself talk. With the California Air Tools ultra quiet compressor, I can hear myself talk and could hold a conversation. I hope this video was useful and helpful to some of you. Thanks again for watching and take care.